Hello, my name is Peter Brown. I'm Director of the Irish Research Council, and thank you to Science Europe for the opportunity to speak about research culture. And of course, research culture is so important. We need to get it right so that national, European, and global research systems can function as effectively as possible as we face the enormous societal and global challenges before us, not least climate change and biodiversity loss. And at a basic level for the IRC, ensuring that early career researchers have a living stipend or a living salary is really important, as is promoting and supporting a research environment which is free from any form of bullying, harassment, or sexual harassment. And the IRC published a new policy on that during the year. We work closely with other research funders and indeed other stakeholders on open research, and also ensuring that researchers, and in particular early career researchers, have the necessary training on research integrity. Research assessment, of course, is key. The IRC, along with SFI and HRB, are signatories to DORA and are jointly committed to reflecting the principles of DORA in research assessment. From an IRC perspective, it's also important that research culture promotes the full range of career opportunities that are available to researchers, including those beyond academia. We promote this through partnerships with enterprise and employers, but institutions, of course, have a key role to play through career services and other supports. We need a more flexible, porous, and welcoming research culture. There are too many barriers to entry to the research system, but there are also perhaps too many barriers to re-entry, particularly for those who've taken time out to work in other sectors or in industry, and of course, those who take extended periods of time out to look after children or other loved ones. And we must ensure that people in those situations can re-enter the system and not be unfairly disadvantaged. The IRC will be shortly publishing a new policy on how we will support researchers who are parents and carers and ensuring that they have the necessary continuity of funding. We'll also before the end of the year, be publishing a review of our gender strategy and action plan, and this will inform the next plan. We're also working with other national research funders on a survey of the impact of COVID-19 on researchers across disciplines and career stages, and we hope to gain important insights from this that can inform future action. From an IRC perspective, research culture should also needs to do more to promote and value intersectoral collaboration, and in particular collaboration between researchers and policymakers. And we have worked closely with the Royal Irish Academy on a roadmap for Ireland in that respect. Finally, then, just in terms of the priorities for the European research area, addressing the precarity of academic research careers has to be a key priority for the European research area. Unless we address that, we won't get research culture right. And the IRC has highlighted this as a key, the issue of researcher precarity as a key problem in our submission to government on Ireland's next National Research and Innovation Strategy. And we've highlighted in particular the excellent OECD report on this topic. Thank you for listening.